Welcome inside the Visit Lethbridge.com arenas. The Lethbridge Hurricanes open a 3-3 weekend against the Edmonton Oil Kings.
Works in with space, goes around the net, wrap around, in front, great save by Unger. Here's another chance they score. Rowan Woodward stopped on the first try, buries the second at Edmonton. 1-0 early on. Puck to the front of the net, stabbed at. Miller will get it to the right point. Alkos, long shot, tip, scores! Redirected in front. Rylan Roarsma a touch, and it's 2-0 Edmonton. It's the puck in over the line. Here's Miller a backhand. There's a rebound, and it's chopped to the net. They score! It got up and over and went bar down and in, and it's 3-0 for the Oil Kings. Sharp right circle, backdoor chance, they score! Tic-tac-toe, Trae Johnson bangs it in on the back door, and it's 3-1. And now Powell will hook it to the right point for Lee. Now to Morey, point shot, tipped, scores! In front of the net, Cage Smith redirected it, and he has his first Western Hockey League goal to make it 4-1. Shot blocked, Johnson lays it forward, Andresen a breakaway! Kash Andresen scores! Home free! Kash Andresen cuts the lead in half, it's 4-2. And he'll start to center, got hauled down, puck free to Norrie, he shoots off the post. Held in sharp, left point, waits, now back Doyle, 10 seconds left. Doyle cuts wide and fires, he scores! 8.2 seconds left in the second period, a power play rip. Tipped in front, and the Hurricanes are to within a goal. Away goes Edmonton. It's a short-handed break. Here's Hansen. He shoots. He scores. Landon Hansen on a short-handed break puts Edmonton back in front by 2. 2-on-1 Edmonton. Hodnett with Iginla. Hodnett in on the left wing, waits to the trailer. Alkos shoots, he scores! Parker Alkos joins the rush and rips home his first of the season, and Edmonton up 6-3. Cross-ice pass, it comes to Alkos, +4, in front, chance, score! Woodward on the back door on a set-up cross seam by Parker Alkos, and it's 7-3.